Let's say there is ux plus 3 upon 2. Let's say a student writes, okay, let's say this was equal to 5. A student solves like this. Let's say Krishna. He cancels 2 and 2. So this will be 5. So therefore x is equal to 2.
Mm-hmm.
So answer is
Wait, but wouldn't this simplify to like?
yes. This is the correct method. So basically this process has an error. The error is, what is the error?
This has to be divisible. This has to apply to all of the terms.
Yes. So who is the error? Finding the error.
Because I remember this because I had a bunch of questions like this on my math test today.
Some exponents. Let's say a times a power m times a power n. This is equal.
A power mn.
See, this is not bad.
Oh.
See, let's say there is 4 2's. 2, 2, 2, 2. What is happening? 2 to the power
4.
4 bad. Let's say in the middle there is 3 here.
A to the power of, wait, 4, 7.
See, 2 to the power what?
Okay, so this is 3. Oh, 6.
6. So you are adding the exponents, right?
Uh-huh.
So this answer will be,
Oh, okay, I get it. A to the power of n plus.
so when the bases are same and you are multiplying, exponents gets added. Okay. Next is, when do we get a to the power mn?
And then is it like I'm not sure.
So mn and what m times.
N times n.
So this time exponents are multiplied. Earlier it was added. Correct.
Mm-hmm.
So a power m whole power n. This will be equal to m times n.
Okay, I get it.
So it's like, let's say root to the power 3 to the power a to 2 by 5 is equal to 2 power x. Find x.
So you do root 2 to the power of 3 is, how do we find out root 2 to the power of 3?
Okay, the person is, this is equal to 2 to the power x. So therefore find the value of 5x plus 3. First try to understand the question. If this is equal to 2 power x, find the value of 5x plus 3.
Oh, okay. So that is equal to 2 to the power of x. Wait, I'm actually confused.
And let's say if I write 2 to the power x, what is this 2 called? We have a name for that. No.
The 2 is a base.
Base. And x is?
The root. The power.
Exponential base.
Okay.
So on this right, 2 is the?
2 is the base.
So on the left, do you see any base as 2?
Yeah. Well, the root of 2.
Root of 2 means what? See, tell me your name for root 2. What do you also call that?
I don't know.
Square root. Right?
Oh, well, yeah. I mean, like, I don't know what this is.
Square of 2 means 2 power 2, right?
No, I mean the square root of 2. I don't know the square root.
I'm gonna tell that. See. Square root means it's like 1 upon 2.
Uh-huh.
2 to the power 1 upon 2. So root a means a to the power.
Okay, so if they say squared.
A to the power half. Okay.
Okay.
So what can you write now?
Root to the of half, right?
Half whole power.
2 to the power of half to the power of 3 equals 2 to the power of a half times 3. To the power of 3 over 2 to the power of times negative 2 over 5. So that's 2 to the power of, that equals to the power of negative 6 over 10, right?
So negative 6 over 10. Can you simplify it?
Yeah.
6 over 10. 3 over 5. So even numbers. So 2 to the power negative 3 over 5, right?
Uh-huh.
This was equal to what?
5, wait, the square root of 2 to the power of 3 to the power of negative 2 over.
Look at the question. This was equal to
2x to the power of x.
so x is
X is negative 3 over 5.
so 5x plus 3 is see, x is equal to negative 3 over 5.
Uh-huh.
5x
Wait,
plus 3 is
wait, let me write it down. 5x plus 3 equals, and that one is 5 over 1 times negative 3 over 5 is negative 15 over 5, which is 3 plus 3, 8. Well, negative 15 over 5 is, yeah, which equals 6. So equals 6.
negative 15 over 5 is what?
3. Oh, negative 3. Yes, that's the one.
The answer is
0.
0 is the answer. Fine.
Ever?
These are some applications. I AB to the power m. How can you split this?
A to the power of m times b to the power of m.
Yeah, whatever. So try to understand that, and can you solve this now? Square root of any must be split into. Good job. So remember, you can split the square root only when it is multiplication. A
Mm-hmm.
times b. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You can't do it when it is an addition. Let's say a plus d. You can't just do it like this. This is a violation. Here. See, when do you remember the distance formula? We are doing like x2 minus x1 whole square plus.
Yeah.
So there's a plus in this in between. So you can't just split this into
Like that.
half square root plus
That's
this.
cool.
This is a violation. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This is an application for distance formula. Okay. So these are some basic maths and we will it. So root a times root b. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Next is this is also valid. Then split the square root not just for multiplication but also for this will be equal to
So division.
so multiplication and division it in the okay.
Mm-hmm.
So there are some conditions a and b must be positive in order to split this square root. So we don't discuss that in detail at all. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So let's say if a student or solving is trying to find the value of square root of b. Or you can have a calculator let's assume within it was he written 1 plus 1 square root of 1 plus square root of 1. Square root of 1 is 1. So this is 2. Is this correct?
No, it is wrong
What is the error?
because he split up the square root for addition.
Yeah.
Why is it F? He split the root for addition.
Also, when does splitting the square root works? In what cases?
This splitting the root only works for multiplication and division.
So that is the thing.
Okay.